Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss fill in the blanks of class 6 history chapter kingdoms, kings and early republic. Viewers, before starting the video I would like to request you, if you are new on the channel and have not subscribed it yet, please subscribe the channel. Let's start. First question is dash means that huge walls of woods, bricks or stone were built around capital city. Answer is fortified. Fortified means huge walls of bricks or stone around the capital city. Next question is dash were built to protect people from attack of other king. Answer is forts. Forts were built to protect people from attacks. Next question is there were dash rulers in Ghana or Sangha. Answer is many. Many rulers were there. Next question is dash and dash belonged to Ganas or Sanghas. Answer is Buddha and Mahavira. Buddha belonged to Ganas and Mahavira to Sanghas. Next question is people of Athens set up a form of government called dash around 2500 years ago. Answer is democracy. Democracy was introduced by the Athens. Next question is term dash is used for a group that has many members. Answer is Gana. Gana is a group of many members. Next question is dash means organization or association. Answer is Sangha. A Sangha means an organization or a association. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please press the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe the channel. Do press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever new video is published. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.